While the Porsche factory shift knob is a work of art, upgrading or changing the shift knob is one of the most common upgrades people make to their 991.2. Changing it out is easy. Place the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the car. Place the shifter in the neutral position, red arrow. The locking collar, red arrow, is designed into the shift knob, blue arrow. You only want to turn the locking collar. Using hand pressure, turn the locking collar 45 degrees counterclockwise. Using hand pressure only, lift the shift knob straight up and off of the shaft, red arrow. If it doesn't come off, you haven't turned the locking collar far enough. This area can get dirty. Now is a good time to give it a good cleaning before installing the new knob. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure that the locking collar is in the unlocked position before installing, red arrow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.